Today we're going to be making crystals. Yes, we're going to be using borax for our crystal making. I'm using some cookie cutters to just shape the pipe cleaners that we are going to use. We're going to use hot water, 3 tablespoons of borax for 1 cup of hot water. Make sure to stir really well until all borax is dissolved, completely dissolved. Stir, 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 stir. The water is still going to be hot, but it's okay. That will help the crystallization to happen, and because we need the water to evaporate so the crystals can form. So you get your pipe cleaner, you get your cookie cutter, because guess what? When you mold the pipe cleaner around the cookie cutter, you can see the shape so much better, and it makes it so much easier for you to have a perfect form, a perfect shape for you to create your crystals. Take a look at this. Once your shapes are formed, you will just connect with another pipe cleaner or a string if you prefer, roll it up, secure it on a little stick, and you deepen into the solution with the borax and water. Do that for all the shapes that you have created. Now let's see, borax versus Epsom salt. Which one crystallizes the pipe cleaner first? Let's take a look at this. We put 3 tablespoons of borax for 1 cup of water. When you use the Epsom salt, you put 3 tablespoons of Epsom salt to a half cup of warm water. Mix it until it's very clear, and then you're ready to deepen your shapes inside of it. This crystallization took about from 3 to 6 hours. And take a look, the one with Epsom salt is still not showing the crystals, but the one that was done with borax, you can see all the little cubes, the thicker layers of crystals being formed around the pipe cleaner. What's happening? When you mix borax, sodium borate, and hot water, the heat helps the borax dissolve completely, creating a saturated solution. That means the water is holding as much borax as is possible. Cooling down. When it's cooling down, the solution, the water can't hold all that dissolved borax anymore. The extra borax starts to come out of the solution and attach to whatever surface it can find, like your pipe cleaner, string, or any shape you use. The borax molecules arrange themselves in orderly pattern, and they stick together, forming beautiful sparkling crystals. Look at this. Look inside the cup. This process is called crystallization, a physical change, not a chemical one, because the borax is still borax. The longer you leave it, the bigger the crystals grow. The shape of the crystals depend on how the borax molecules stack together and how slowly the water cools. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to Bella the Scientist series channel. See you next time.